Sometimes it's hard for me to show that I'm more than just a title or a comment going viral. There's more to me than people know. Some days I'm broke, some days I'm rich, some days I'm nice, some days I can be a bitch. Some days I'm strong, some days I quit. I don't let it show, but I've been through some shit.
What is up, y'all? I am back with another video for you, and today, as you can see, it's kind of crazy on my face again, and this is just another look for y'all for Halloween. This was a collab thing I was doing again in a makeup group, but this is kind of a couple days later because I did it once. Half of it didn't film for some reason. I guess I didn't hit the record button, or I thought I did. And also, I like that happened because the way I had it the first time, I didn't really like it, but now I really like how it worked, and easily this can be done very fast, like within an hour, because if you count in getting your face done. So what I do to start all these looks is just literally foundation, set my face, and concealer, like where I need concealer, and that's really it. And then the rest is just part of the look, which I'll show you in this video. So if you guys want to recreate this look and be like more of a pumpkin jack-o'-lantern type thing, then just keep on watching. So I'm gonna start using my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and then to start out I'm using this orange right here, and I'm just using the Morphe M514 brush. Like I said, I'm gonna put this in my crease. And then I'm going with the same orange and putting that on my lower lash line. And then I want to go in with the yellow and using a different brush, but like the same type of brush, if that makes sense. And I'm putting this all over my lid. Put this kind of right here where my brown bone is. And then I also want to put this on my nose, the yellow, just for like a pumpkin kind of look. I don't know. And then with the orange, and then using that same brush, I'm gonna zoom you out. And I'm just gonna put this on my cheekbones, so like a contour. Go on the other side. Go on my forehead. And then I want to go under my lip as well, like a contour of it. It's so fast because I've already done it that I know what I'm doing. And then I'm going to contour my nose kind of with this orange as well. What I'm doing, this is really easy to actually do, and I feel like you can do this super fast. And then I'm going in with this Morphe kind of fluffy brush, going in with that orange, and I'm just doing the contour like I have been, but this will give me more coverage. If you hear my cat, he's being weird back there. That is definitely Boo being weird, because it's Boo. pretty much my pumpkin little face is done. As you can see, that's really easy to do. Now what I want to do is my eyes. So I'm gonna curl my lashes, and then the scary part is I am going to go in with this tattoo liner by Kat Von D in Trooper Black, and I am gonna make wings. So yeah, I'm just gonna start trying to do that. Okay, that was a really bad wing, but we're just gonna go with it. Two really bad wings! Yay! I really actually hate doing wings just because they're just so hard. So as you can, just like lately my hand has been super shaky that I can't do anything with it. I don't know why, but I used to have such a steady hand, but now I don't. So I'm just going to clean them up with this Line and Define by Beauty Strokes brush, and I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape. Just kind of check that out. They don't look too bad. They're good enough. Right. They're good enough. Just so now I'm just gonna go in with my Worth the Hype mascara and put my mascara on. So before I do my bottom lashes, I'm gonna do one thing just to make it a little bit more creative. I'm using these Revlon Photo Ready Eye Arts. I'm gonna start out a little bit with this. This is in the color Burnished Bling. Burnished Bling. So I'm gonna go in with the silver more color, make a triangle, but not like a really big triangle. And then going in with the sparkle side and covering it. That needs to dry. You never want to put too much on with those or they get cakey. So as that's drying, I'm going to put the mascara on the lower lashes. So now that that's done, I'm going to go in with some eyeliner and put it on my waterline. So I'm using the CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus, and this is in Black Onyx. Now that that is fully done, what did I do with it? I am going to make me a mouth. So I'm just going to use this like pointed little brush from Emily's makeup brush, dip it into this NYX gel pot. It's just in blackout. It's just this type thing, and outline my lips. So I decided to fill fully my lips in. You could probably stay like this if you didn't want to do a full jack-o'-lantern face, but I want to, so I'm gonna go out and like make a swoopy type thingy. I'm kind of making it so it extends from my face, and then I want to make a triangle. I don't know if you can see, but I kind of swoop it in so it's all like connected and not very, I don't know what's the word, very like sharp. I don't know what word would be for it. Do it again. Now I just kind of want to clean it up with my Tarte Shape Tape, so using that line and define brush and carve it out. This might not work actually. So now I want to just set the black to make it more matte and colorful, so I'm using the black in this palette and just using a flat brush and patting it on. And then I'm going to go in with the orange again and then just kind of make it better looking. I don't know if that makes sense. Then last but not least, I am going to go and put lashes on, which is the Faux Mink by Ardell. They just kind of look like this, kind of wisp out like that. I'm just using a random like glue thing. Okay, so now that lashes are on, I am going to finish up the look a little bit more, put like a flannel on, and then throw my hair up to look a little cuter than what it is now, and then I'll be back for the finished look outro thing. Alright y'all, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys are trying this out, I would love to see you guys recreate this look for Halloween. Definitely super easy to do. It looks like a lot more than what it really is. But yeah, other than that, I think that is it for this video. Alright y'all, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Give it a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. They'll be linked down below. Also, hit the bell to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and sometimes Saturdays as well. Also, if you guys enjoy me a little bit extra and you guys want my videos out there and help me get out there for everybody to see, then definitely hit the share button and share it on all your social medias. Other than that, I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye.